Prune like a pro. Sun Joe takes the ache out of one of gardening's most repetitive tasks. Prune your way to a greener yard and garden with Sun Joe PJ3600C 3.6-volt cordless power pruner. Proper pruning encourages plants to thrive and is key to maintaining healthy flowering plants, shrubs, and fruit trees. Ideal for green wood, woody stems, twigs, and branches up to a ½ inch, Sun Joe's cordless power pruner provides a clean, precise cut to allow your plant to heal while eliminating the stress and strain associated with squeezing conventional manual pruners. Cutting is as simple as squeezing the trigger, and when fully charged, the cordless pruner provides up to 750 cuts on a single charge. An ergonomic handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, a built-in safety switch prevents accidental starts, and dual onboard LEDs put a little light on the trimming task for enhanced visibility indoors. So give your green thumb a helping hand for perfectly pruned plants and go with Joe. The Sun Joe PJ3600C 3.6-volt cordless power pruner from Sun Joe. Get equipped.